Hello everyone, welcome to AlignBooks. In this video, we'll learn about the bulk update feature of the AlignBooks. Updating multiple master records individually can be a tedious task. That's where the bulk update feature in AlignBooks comes in. This powerful tool allows you to modify multiple records at once from a single user-friendly screen, saving your time and ensuring consistency across your data. The bulk update feature in AlignBooks offers two convenient ways to update master records. The first method is manual update. You can select the master type, update the details manually one by one on the same screen, and save the changes. The second method is updating through an Excel file. In this process, you can modify all your master data within an Excel file and directly import it into the software. Now, let's see the process of manually updating master details. First, click on the configuration icon. Select the bulk update option. First, select the master type, such as customer, vendor, item, employee, or any other category in which you want to make bulk updates. Next, in the Select Fields to Update section, choose the specific fields you want to modify. Then, in Filter Data, you can either select specific master records to update or leave it blank to display all the data associated with the chosen master type. Finally, click on the OK button to proceed. Now click on the specific column and update the details as per your need. Click on Save Bulk Update to save the changes. Now, let's view the process of updating master details through Excel file. Select the master type and fields in which you want to update the details and click on OK button. Now first you have to export the template file of Excel in which you can update the required field. So click on Excel icon. Selected filter data will be exported in the Excel file. Now you have to update the details in the exported file and save it. After updating the Excel file, click on Import button. Now click on Select File button to select the directory and the file where it has been saved, or you can also drag and drop the file on the Import Excel window. The file will get attached. Click on OK button. Thereafter, the data will be imported and fields will get updated. You can view the field data on the screen. Click on Save Bulk Update to save the changes. With the bulk update feature in AlignBooks, you can efficiently modify multiple master records in just a few steps. This not only saves time, but also ensures accuracy and consistency across your data. To book a demo, call us or visit our website, alignbooks.com. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon.